For this demo, I'm going to use Google Gemini within Identity Governance's collection and fulfillment scripts. I could have also used ChatGPT. In this environment, I've already configured Identity Governance to use Google Gemini as my AI provider. For this use case, we're going to take an incoming numeric value that represents employee type and convert that to a readable string so it will be quickly understood by the person reading it. For example, like someone performing a review, reading a report, understanding an insight query. Coming down here to the employee type field so I can edit the transformation script, clicking on the area to start creating it, edit, provide a name, clicking on the Identity Governance Aviator. By default, the integration will set up the incoming input value. If you do not want to utilize that, you can turn it off. But for this demo, I'm going to leave it on default. In here is where you would enter your plain text language terms you desire for the transformation script that you want to write. I have already typed it out, so I will paste it in. I'm going to review it here. So when the incoming value is 1, the output value is set to a full-time employee. 2, to a part-time employee. 3, a contractor. 4, to a partner. Otherwise, if it's a value coming in that we're not expecting, we want to set the output value to unknown. I'm going to press the Generate button. It's calling off to Google Gemini to generate the script. It has come back, and our default configuration, which you can change in the AI configuration section of the product, is going to set back and let you know what was asked for and provide the instructions that it used to set up. You have two choices at this time. You can copy the code that was created and go onto the Manual tab and paste that in. Or remove the instructions that were created. Now, I'm going to remove the instructions in the beginning and end so that it is now valid. There are no errors in the editor. Pressing OK. And now I have generated a script that will take a numeric incoming value and set an output value that is equal to a human-readable string. Thanks for watching.